If you're planning a future in the trades, most trades are solid, but they're also slow and expensive to get into. So take welding for instance. It usually takes anywhere from 6 to 12 months to complete training. It costs anywhere from $10,000 to $20,000. Now most new welders start out making anywhere from $20 to $22 an hour. That's about $800 to $900 a week. Now compare that to laser engraving. Especially if you already have your own laser machine, you've already done the hard work, now it's time to build the business. Our Pathfinders program starts with an intensive 5-day hands-on training where you learn how to fully operate your machine, use the design software, price your products, and how to get customers. But Pathfinders doesn't stop there. It continues as a complete business building system, giving you ongoing coaching, lead generation, website support, and ready-to-use designs so you can keep your business growing. And the income? Well, it's not hourly. You're selling real products, custom tumblers, plaques, signs, corporate gifts, just to name a few. We've seen some beginners do $1,000 to $2,000 a week right out of training. Some students hit that $4,000 to $8,000 a month in their first month. Think about it, some full scroll jobs on like a 1911 as an example will go anywhere from $1,600 to $4,000 for a single job. When you join the Pathfinders program, you get full hands-on training, not just learning how to use your laser, but how to make it work for you. With the Pathfinders program, we offer a full 5-day hands-on training course, a custom-built website to showcase and sell your products, a ready-to-use design library so you can start selling immediately, lead integration system that helps you bring customers directly to you, and ongoing business coaching so you never miss a sale or second-guess your pricing. You're not left guessing. You're set up with the tools, the training, the branding, and the product pipeline to start strong and keep your business growing. This isn't just another online course. This is not just a skill, it's a complete business package, and it's your business package. It's your business to run, to scale, and to continue to grow all the way from day one. This is the Pathfinders program, 5 days, 1 investment, unlimited potential.